Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode, I am going to be talking about a Bitcoin trader, not me, who says now is the time you absolutely must buy Bitcoin. So if you want to find out exactly why, stay tuned for today's episode. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to talk about why now you must absolutely buy Bitcoin, not financial advice. Now, you guys probably clicked on this video because you saw a picture of DaVinci J15, and that, my friends, is called clickbait because it wasn't him. But we are talking about a Bitcoin trader. As a matter of fact, a very successful Bitcoin trader. As a matter of fact, one of my favorite Bitcoin traders on TradingView, who's talking about this is the best buy signal that Bitcoin will ever get. So he's been right many times before, and he actually says something that I said on the live stream on Sunday, which makes it all the much more true, that now is a very good time to buy Bitcoin. Now, on Sunday, I was talking about how right now, where we are, seems to me to feel exactly similar to what we are at the end of 2018. Back when everybody thought, well, Bitcoin's kind of at the bottom. It can't go much lower than this. It's got to go up sometime. Why isn't it going up yet? And that's exactly where we are right now, where we're like, yeah, Bitcoin price pretty dang low. Can't go much lower. As a matter of fact, halving is coming up. It's going to be twice as expensive to make Bitcoin coming up. So the price has got to go up. But when is it going to go up? Well, Trading Shot actually answers that. He says right now, we are in this spot here. So this is the previous one in 2018, this orange area. This is the one right now, this orange area we're in between the weekly 50 moving average, the 50 weekly moving average, and the 200 weekly moving average. So we're right between them. And this happened again before, back in the end of 2018, where it seemed like Bitcoin, it has to go up, but when's it going to go up? Well, it turns out that based on that, he feels that the price will go up. And furthermore, if we zoom down so you can see this, he takes a look at the logarithmic MACD. Now, I love the MACD. He takes a look at the logarithmic MACD, and he says after the peak, there was one crossover, two crossovers, three crossovers, and then boom, the price went up. Now, again, we had one bearish cross, the second fake bullish cross, third bearish cross, and then when this one crosses, it's going to be price going up. So just so you can see this here, after the top back in December of 2018, we had a bearish cross, we had a fake bullish cross, we had a bearish cross, and then the next bullish cross was when the price actually took off. If you would have looked here, you would have bought in about 3,600 and then could have sold up almost 5 times the price. So he's saying after this peak here, we had a bearish cross, a fake bullish cross, may have to go up a little bit more so you can see that above my head, a fake bullish cross, a bearish cross, and then the next bullish cross is going to be one where the price breaks upward, which would make sense because it's going to happen sometime around the halving. So again, Trading Shot, great analysis here. He's saying this is an amazing accumulation zone because it's unlikely the price is going down. More than likely, the price is going to go up. This is the best buy signal you will get. Now, that's not the only thing, but we also want to remember, we want to be contrarian investors. We don't want to buy with the masses because the masses always buy wrong. The masses all bought in at $20,000. We want to be the people buying when there's blood in the streets. And right now, if you take a look at the Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index, there is blood in the streets. If we take a look for right now, for yesterday, for last week, and for last month, all of these extreme fear. People are paralyzed in fear. They don't know what's going to happen with the market. People are panic selling their Bitcoin, their cryptocurrencies because they want to have cash. And they don't know that they can borrow against their assets instead of selling them. And they're selling and people are scared. But guess what? The halving is coming. It shall be our rescue because after the halving, Bitcoin is going to cost roughly $15,000 in electricity costs to mine one Bitcoin. So that's it for today's episode. That's what I wanted to share with you. Again, got you with the clickbait. Ha! And lastly, guys, don't be one of those suckers who's selling their crypto right now. Crypto is one of the newest is the newest asset class, okay? And an asset means it puts money in your pocket as opposed to taking money out of your pocket. Now, a lot of people are facing tough financial times. So instead of selling your crypto, borrow against your crypto. That's actually what rich people do. They borrow against your assets. And the best thing when you borrow against your assets, it's tax free. You don't have to pay taxes on it. If you sell your Bitcoin, you have to pay taxes on it, but you borrow against it, you don't pay taxes on it. Even better. And guess what? When the market flopped by half and everybody got liquidated on BitMEX and Bybit, and everybody who had their stuff in Nexo got liquidated, nobody had their accounts liquidated on Celsius because they actually care about people. They're very transparent. They care about people who use the platform. So because of that, I recommend Celsius. This is not sponsored, but it's something that I use. I think it's a great product. And yes, I also borrow against some crypto because that's what rich people do. Don't sell your assets, borrow against them. So I'll put a link down in the description. If you use that link, you get $10 and I get $10. It's like easy peasy. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.